Ever wondered how a simple idea transforms into a full-fledged app or a website? The secret ingredient is coding. Welcome to this exploration of the fascinating world of coding, where we'll unmask the mystery behind those lines of code that power our digital universe. Scene script. Imagine coding as a language. Like any language, it has vocabulary, grammar, and syntax. The vocabulary is the commands or instructions. The grammar is how you structure those commands, and the syntax is the correct order of those commands. Coding is the language we use to communicate with computers and tell them what to do. Let's delve into some basic coding concepts. First off, we have variables. Think of a variable as a box that can store information. It could be a number, a word, or even a whole sentence. The beauty of variables is that their values can change, hence the name. Next, we have functions. A function is a set of instructions bundled together to perform a specific task. Think of it as a recipe. Just as a recipe outlines the steps to make a dish, a function outlines the steps to complete a task. Then we have loops. Ever found yourself doing the same task over and over again? That's where loops come in handy in coding. A loop tells a computer to do something repeatedly until a certain condition is met. And lastly, we have conditionals. Conditionals are the decision makers in coding. They are like the crossroads where a computer decides which path to take based on whether a certain condition is true or false. Now imagine putting all these elements together. Variables store information, functions use this information to perform tasks, loops repeat these tasks, and conditionals decide the course of action. That's coding in a nutshell. But why is coding important? Well, coding is the backbone of most of the technology we use today. From social media apps and video games to virtual reality and artificial intelligence, coding is the driving force. Plus, it fosters problem-solving skills, encourages creativity, and opens up a world of opportunities in the digital age. In this video, we have unraveled the basic elements of coding: variables, functions, loops, and conditionals. We've also highlighted the importance of coding in our digital world. Remember, coding is not just about writing lines of complex code. It's about problem-solving, creating, and making things work. So don't be daunted by the seemingly cryptic lines of code. With practice and perseverance, you'll soon be able to speak the language of computers. In the end, coding is like learning a new language. It might seem challenging at first, but once you get the hang of it, you'll realize it's just another way to express your ideas and creativity. So, dive into the world of coding and watch your ideas come to life.